Mary, I have a patient in room 3. He says he has a brain tumor.
A brain tumor? Did the test results show that?
No, he read it on the internet. He says the website confirms it.
Oh no, not again.
He has a headache for 2 days, and now he is sure. He even printed the page.
Okay, I can help. I talk to these patients a lot.
Please, I don't know what to say to him.
First, we listen. We don't say the internet is wrong. That makes them angry.
Good point. What do we say?
We say, thank you for doing research. Now let us check together.
That sounds much better. And then?
We do a simple exam. We show him the real results. We explain slowly and clearly.
And if he still believes the website?
We ask him, do you want to feel better or do you want to be right?
Wow, that works?
Almost always. People want help. They are just scared.
Okay, let's go talk to him together.
Yes. And John, hide the printed page. Trust me.